Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this design fit on my nails. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So first I'm going to apply my base coat, and then I'm going to go with my base color. Today is Pyro from Cirque colors. This is a very bright shade. It's an orangey red color. It's very neon in real life. Super beautiful for the summer. And for the stamping, I'm going to be doing some swirls. I really like this plate, but all the designs are very big. So you have a reference here. This is the measurements for each one of them, which is like very big for my nails. So I'm going to be using the Moyra supersizer stamper to make the design smaller. I made a whole video on this if you're interested. I will link it on the description below. So here I'm going to make a comparison between the two sizes. So this is the normal size of the stamping design. And this is way too big for my nail bed, so I won't be able to fit the two lines in my nail. So I got this small size, and I think this will be perfect for my nails. As you can see, it here is a bit smaller than the other one. This stamper is very good. I highly recommend it if you have shorter nails, so if you want to keep your nails short all the time but still enjoy the designs of the stamping plates, I think it's a great option. Of course, it has some limitations because you can make it much smaller. In this case, it got smaller but not as much. So if you have like shorter nails than mine, probably it won't fit as well. So it depends also on the design. So then I'm just gonna apply the smudge free top coat and the fast dry top coat, and this is the final result. I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.